We have a serious garbage dumping problem in the surrounding areas. So we didn't want to add any more to the dumping that happens outside. So we, as a community, we made a conscious decision that we will not be adding any more to the dumping outside.
Once we decided as a community that we need to not add waste to the outside world, we decided that we will compost, and then started looking at various methods of composting. We found that the aerobic composting was a better method, and after that we started looking at which companies we could use in this process, and we found that Bioman was a company which was giving what we were looking at. There are a few advantages of this method of composting which they provide us. The composting takes place in about 14 days, and also we found that the nuisance of flies and smell is almost negligible.
Community has been extremely supportive of the whole process, and even the management committee. Right from day one, we always wanted a great solution for our community. So it's one thing to set up different processes, different technologies, but at the end of the day, on a day-to-day basis, you have to do a fair amount of auditing too. So our people, whether it is from the management committee, whether it is from the housekeeping, they're always there, with us, looking at how things are progressing, taking measurements of different variables. So when we do all these things, then you know that the system is totally functional, as opposed to just one thing here or one thing there. So, and you look at the overall viability of the whole equation. If you just look at putting it into some garbage trucks and sending it out, compared to that, yes, it is a bit more expensive. But that good, feel-good factor is great, because you're achieving what you always wanted to achieve at a fairly good cost.
We also decided that since we have a large amount of green waste in our complex, we decided to do something about it, and we had to purchase a shredder which shreds all the green waste we have, and we also compost the same and utilize it in our own gardens. And even in this process, Bioman is helping us with providing the enzymes which are used for composting the green waste, and even that has been a successful outcome for us as a community.